viewers, welcome back to another video. I'm your MT Chai. In this video, I discuss the development of the theoretical framework that will be useful for your thesis. And if you guys want to see more educational videos related to thesis, assignments, subjects, study tips, and apps tutorials from me in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all my newest video notifications. So let's get into the video. Foremost, what is meant by a theoretical framework? The theoretical framework is known as the blueprint of your research and summarizes the purpose of your thesis. It consists of the theory which has been tested and validated by other researchers. It is also used to explain the relationship between two or more variables. The two key variables to develop your theoretical framework are the independent variable and the dependent variable. The independent variable stands on its own. Meanwhile, the dependent variable depends on your independent variable. Hence, when the researcher changes the independent variable, this directly affects the result of your dependent variable. The theoretical framework helps to decide the researcher in choosing their research design and data analysis method. So if you have a question about how to develop a theoretical framework, the theoretical framework is developed based on your literature review. Next, what are the particulars that you need to look to develop your theoretical framework? So I've made a checklist to develop your theoretical framework. Number 1. Examine your thesis title and research question or research problem. It means you have to ensure that your theoretical framework fulfills your thesis title and answering your research questions. Number 2. Identify your independent variable and dependent variable. For that, list down your variables, then decide which group it will fall in. Number 3. Usage of words in writing your variable's name, either 1 to 3 or 4 to 6 or 6 to 8 words long. The shorter the usage of words in writing your variable name in the theoretical framework, the better it is. But ensure to explain more detail about the variables in the literature review. Number 4. Consider how the variables related to the theory. Either you adapt or adopt this theory, but provide adequate information related to the theory in the literature review. Number 5. Choose the shape of your variables, either rectangles or circles. Number 6. The position of your key variables. The independent variable will be on your left side, meanwhile the dependent variable will be on your right. Still confused? No worries. Look into the examples I provided in the video. Number 7. Arrow direction of your key variables. Arrow direction should be from your independent variable to your dependent variable. Number 8. Remember to use stick line arrows to show the relationship between your independent variable and dependent variable. Number 9. The first letter of each variable you need to capitalize and the rest in lowercase. Number 10. Check your spelling and font size. Number 11. Don't bold or don't italic your words. These are the 11 items that you need to look at to develop your theoretical framework. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you want to see more educational content just like this, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all my latest video notifications. Thank you for your love and support, and thanks for watching.